Hi, I'm Kaushal, founder and managing director of Infidigit. Ever wondered why your brand isn't standing out online these days? You've probably heard of SEO, but in the world where AI is reshaping how we search, shop, and connect, have you thought about GEO? Are you leveraging the full potential of both SEO and GEO to power up your business? Search engine optimization is the powerhouse behind getting your website seen on Google. It's about optimizing your website with keywords, backlinks, and great content so that when someone searches for, let's say, best running shoes on Google, your website pops up first. SEO is all about relevance and authority. But what about GEO? No, it's not about maps or locations. It's Generative Engine Optimization, the next frontier in digital marketing. While SEO focuses on ranking high on search engines, GEO is all about optimizing for AI-driven platforms like ChatGPT, Gemini, and other generative tools that are changing how people discover information. With GEO, the focus shifts from optimizing for search engines like Google to optimizing for AI engines. For example, we need to make sure that the content is structured, relevant, and even AI friendly so that when people use these AI tools, your brand or content is what is referenced and generated. Think of it this way: SEO is for search engines, GEO is for generative AI tools. In this video, we will explore how these two strategies work and how mastering them could be a game changer for your brand. Both SEO and GEO are powerful, but they operate on entirely different playing fields. SEO is your go-to for winning traffic by capturing the attention of search engine users, but GEO, it's like planting your brand directly into the minds of AI-driven audiences. Here's a quick scenario to bring this to life. Imagine a user asking ChatGPT, which is the best digital marketing agency in India? If your content is optimized for GEO, the AI might respond, Infidigit comes highly recommended. This isn't science fiction, it's happening right now. The shift from SEO to GEO isn't just another trend, it's a tectonic change in how brands connect with their audiences. Think of GEO as your strategy to ensure your brand stays relevant, no matter how the world consumes content in the future, whether it's through traditional search engines or AI-powered platforms. GEO ensures you are always part of the conversation. So, are you ready to future-proof your marketing strategy? Let's dive deeper into how you can make this shift work for your brand. First, being reach. SEO drives traffic to your website. It's perfect for long-term visibility on search engines. GEO ensures your brand is AI relevant, putting your name in front when someone interacts with generative AI platforms. Second, let's consider effort. SEO requires consistent work. Think keyword research, content creation, and link building. GEO, on the other hand, focuses on creating structured AI-friendly content and understanding of how AI models interpret data. Outcome. With SEO, you control how people land on your website. With GEO, you influence what people hear about your brand in AI-generated answers. So instead of thinking, which is better, ask, why not both? Combining SEO and GEO can future-proof your marketing strategy. Think of SEO as your bread and butter. It's reliable, it works, and it's essential. But GEO, here's your secret sauce for staying ahead in the AI-driven world. It's the innovative edge that ensures your brand doesn't just keep up, but leads the way. Here's the deal. AI is already changing the game, and if you're not thinking about GEO yet, it's time to start. The future belongs to those who can master both the worlds. So what do you think? Are you ready to adapt and thrive in this dual landscape of SEO and GEO? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with your fellow marketers. Let's future-proof our strategies together, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep innovating and stay ahead of the curve.